This video is going to showcase how to use student Gmails. So everything begins with Google, and as a student you will log in using your new Google password, login name and password. And there are two options. You can either choose the Mail tab, and this would open up your Gmail, or you can choose to go through this app cube with a bunch of different Google tools that are listed here and simply choose the Gmail. Once you click on that Gmail, all of your list of emails will begin to pop up. You have all of your different tabs listed here, your inbox, some of your sent mail, the different drafts that you've composed. If you're going to begin to compose a new message, you'll simply hit the compose button here and address to whomever you are going to send this email to. You also have many options to carbon copy or blind carbon copy somebody, and you can type in your content down in the bottom. As you type in your content, you'll have many different options to change the font, the color, the size, the alignment, adding bullets. You can also add in attachments. You can insert things using Google Drive, insert photos or web links or emoticons. If you're done with that email, you can always just trash it and it will just simply delete it. Once you're done, you can hit the send button. Once you're done, you can hit the send button and your email will be sent. Another feature within Google is adding folders. As you can see, I have a bunch of different folders that are listed here. And in order to make a new folder, you would have to go all the way down to the bottom and click the More tab. Once you click More, a bunch of other options will pop up, and one of those would be to create a new label. If you ever wanted to get rid of a label or get rid of a folder, you can go to Manage Labels and just delete those. But to create a new folder, you would simply hit Create a New Folder. And at this point, you can name the actual folder itself. If I wanted to name it Social Studies or Science, Math, PE, or whatever content area I wanted to add here, if I added my folder, I can simply drag and drop any of those emails that maybe come from my teacher or relating to that class. I can drag directly into my newly created folder. In my list here, I can scroll down as it's listed in alphabetical order. There's my new folder called Social Studies. And I can just simply take my email and I can drag it right down into Social Studies. And now when I click on that folder, there's that email. Other features inside Gmail is the contact feature. And that can be accessed by going to this mail button here and clicking on that. And you'll have a bunch of different options that pop up. The option we'll talk about here now is contacts. So on the side, you'll see your different contact groups. In order to add a new group, I can simply click on the button New Group and then title my new group. Once I have that group made, I can always add new people. In order to add new contacts, I will simply have to just click the Add button and I can begin to add people's email. Once their email is in, their names will begin to pop up. To get back to my mail, I can simply just click on the Mail tab and go back to my inbox. Some of the features we'll take a look at now will be found in the settings. The settings wheel can be accessed with this little gear to the far right and by clicking the settings. Inside the settings, you will find the General tab. There are many different options inside this tab to make Gmail work just for you. You can change the text, the color of your emails. You can also add different colored stars or icons next to important emails. You can update your profile picture, and you can add a signature line. Any changes that you make, just have to make sure that you hit the Save Changes down the bottom. Other features within Gmail can be accessed by going to the Labs tab and clicking on it. Once you click on that, you'll have the option to enable or disable some of the different features within Gmail, again, to make it more customizable to you. As you look through these, some may be important, others you may not have any interest, but you have the option to enable or disable. Again, once you've clicked those, just make sure you hit the Save button. Other features in Gmail include tasks. To access tasks, you can click on the far left and click on Tasks. This taskbar is like a checklist for students. I can provide little notes to myself to do different things, complete homework, attend practice, simply by adding something new. I can type in my different tasks, and when I'm completed, I hit the checkbox and those are deleted. If I want to officially get rid of those tasks, I could just simply hit the trash button and X out. I hope this video has given you some good tips and pointers about Gmail. At this time, your teacher will stop the video and allow for students to work.